Blessed day to all of our viewers out there. Welcome once again to this episode of Mandawe Season 2. This is Dapat Mandawe's initiatives that bring us closer to you, our dear clientele.
Our episode today is about NLC or National Learning Camp.
Alright, and we are very blessed today because we have two important guests that could talk about NLC, Ms. Drill. So, introducing the person in my right. She is the focal person of NLC for English language, Mrs. Jocelyn G. Villamor.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Trail.
And also we have here our focal person, division focal person for the National Learning Camp, and Dr. Jocelyn C. Beduya. She's also our mathematics supervisor. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to the both of you to this episode. All right, to start with, can you give us an overall perspective or overview of what NLC is and also its aims and purposes, why it came to be? Well, would like to start, Joe?
Sir Elmer, our National Learning Camp is actually in support to the Matatag Basic Agenda, and it is part of the National Learning Recovery Program of the Department of Education. There are 5 sub-programs and NLC is one of which. So we would like to cater to the needs of our students during summer days. That is why we have launched this National Learning Camp last year.
Okay.
So, kinsa man ang pwede maka-join ani NLC, ma'am, o unsay mga guidelines ani para maka-join sila?
Everyone is enjoined to join from grades 1 to grade 10. This is a voluntary for all our learners, open to all. So sila ra gyud mga bata ang mo-volunteer sa ilang self with the permission of their parents. This is a big help to address the learning gaps caused by the COVID 2019. So sila ra gyud gi-encourage gid nato ang mga bata to join sa NLC.
So, dako gini siya nga initiative nato sa department, no? Diba kita gini-initiate, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, ang ato is we need to support the parents, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Mapapagod sila kaya otherwise, magbuha ka tabanong ka mga bata.
Correct.
Pag sila gatubang sa cellphone po, sir.
Yes, di mo trail. Yes.
Anyway, sir, this is not a long program. For this school year, mahugagid siya o 3 weeks. So 15 days rin siya for this school year.
So, still well within the vacation time, di ba?
Yes.
So mag-start di siya, ma'am, sa
This will commence on July 1 and ends on July 19.
July 1 to July 9.
So mahugagid siya o 15 days.
So far, have we started scouting na sa mga bata or kinsay mga field or
Yes, sir. Actually, more or less, so we have 12,000
Oh,
enrollees
that's a big number
from
for the
grade
division.
1 to grade 10.
yes, that's good. That's great. Okay. Now, if the children would decide to be part of this, ma'am, kung sa mga itong mga parameters or sa mga pagkaibaw nila kung asa sila na belong, doon na ba tayo categorization ano nila? Ma'am Joy?
Yeah, actually, sir, this National Learning Camp is structured in a camp-like scenario. So this is such because we would wish to cater to our students' needs as well considering their desires and their likes. So when they go to school, the school will be set up as a camp so that there will also be fun-filled activities. So basically, if the learners that are to enroll in the National Learning Camp would have the foundational literacy and mathematical skills, they will go directly to the consolidation camp. But if they lack such, they will be in the intervention camp. For those who are faring well already in the competencies of English, Math, and Science, they can go to the enhancement camp getting still enhancement activities that will still develop their literacy, numeracy skills, or even scientific skills. Okay, so we have three learning camps. Okay, for the NLC.
Unsa ang mga ang three nga learning camps, ma'am?
We have the intervention camp, we have the consolidation camp, and the enhancement camp.
Yes, Ma'am Jo?
Sir, for mathematics, we have the Rapid Mathematics Assessment or the RMA, and for English, we have the SERLA. This is SERLA.
Comprehensive Rapid Literacy Assessment. So we actually conduct this with the beginning of the school year last year and with the end of school year. So for English, we will base our students to be enrolled in the intervention as to the result of the SERLA. For Ma'am Giselle,
Same procedure. So if the result of the RMA, tanawon dito if ang bata lack gid siya sa foundational skills in math, so mabilong siya to intervention. Because RMA is conducted from grades 1 to 3, same with SERLA.
yeah.
Clarification lang mo, sa gati RMA ma?
Rapid Mathematics Assessment.
Rapid Mathematics Assessment. So, mo na siya atong basihanan for entry, no, sa atong mga probable campers. And then sa English is katong SERLA. Sa ganitong SERLA ba?
Comprehensive Rapid Literacy Assessment that will be given to our grades 1, 2, and 3 learners. For the high school, obviously it will be based on the end of the school year rating that they would have, Sir Elmer. So this is still a camp where we can address the needs of the students as to competencies undertaken during the school year.
But actually, Ma'am Joy, naabot sila yung NLC assessment.
Okay.
Naabot sila yung NLC assessment.
Kung saan siya ma'am, prior kaya po na sa
Prior po siya.
so side by side sa katong
Yes,
RMA o sa SERLA.
For RMA, for grades 1 to 3, same with the SERLA. For the high school or the secondary, na sila yung National Learning Assessment, National Learning Camp Assessment. And this is online also.
Okay, so nindot no, Ma'am Cheryl, nindot kayo nga matuki sa ni siya ano, at least ang atong mga parents, no, ang atong stakeholders, na sila idea kung unsa ning NLC, no, and how NLC goes about, no, ana. So nindot, so doon lagi siya gitawag na to categories for murag pre-screening, no?
Yes.
And then ang nakalindot kay bisag kinsa mo appeal, mo appeal,
Yes, sir.
di ba? So and then also during vacation time.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more thing about this is do na siya gradation, no? Meaning hierarchical siya ba, no? Depende sa skills sa mga bata. So if we go back to the tenets of DepEd, kuan siya child-centered, di ba? Child-centered. Okay. Sige,
So
so
during sa vacation, dili lang magsisil atubang sa cellphone. So napud gihatag ang DepEd nga gi-implement ka para sa ilaha.
yes. Opportunity, no?
That
Yes.
is why we're encouraging the parents as well to at least prompt or push their learners ba, their mga estudyante nga mo-enroll siya kaya atong mga maestra na arag yun. Di ba Ma'am Giselle, we
Yes.
already have learning.
Nga, from the experience of last year, this is not kanang usual gid ganit siya nga classroom nga
Structure niya nila
structure.
no?
There is a fun-filled activities man siya. So na fun-filled for 2 hours a week.
We have even seen last year upon monitoring but that there are such establishment of camps or establishments of tents that before students can get inside the tent, they have to undergo such activities in reading or in math. So,
Or in science.
sa di pa sila kasud sa tent, mutubag sa silang mathematical problem. Na sa di pa sila makasud sa tent, kinahanglan basahon ni nila nga mga words. Kung makabasa sila, sud sila dito niya, duwa dayon. So nakita mis mga bata nga lingaw kay tanan sila. Yeah, with the high school sa kita sa mi nga sa di pa sila musud sa door, gi-beautify gid pag-ayo ang kanang front side and even inside of the classrooms just to entice our learners to belong to have learning and having fun as well. So dili lisod kay ang pagkaton malingaw man sila. Oh, malingaw
Sir,
sila.
actually, 3 subjects ang focus sa NLC. Math, Science, and English.
So, kani yung tulo ka mga core subjects, no? Which is kanang
Champion in the choice.
Oh, yeah. Ang nindot sa siguro sa setup sa NLC is kanang the children are guided to be drawn away from the usual concept of a classroom, no?
Correct.
Because as they say, no, there's more learning in having fun, di ba?
Correct.
So,
Fun learning.
at the same time, no? Mga subliminal kung sa mga bata ba na-enhance ka.
Yeah, their emotional skills as well. There's also a part of it wherein character development will be processed as well, no? Kay, they will be in groups. Yeah, ang maestra sa malingaw siya kay aligre man ang pag-dish out sa iyang mga content. And as to the content, actually, ang NLC, na naging siya structured na teaching learning process. So, naanay lesson exemplar, na pa sila yung mga activity sheets.
Si teacher na po lesson plan.
Okay, that's good, no?
Sundon ragid sa maestra kung unsa to yung structure. Although, if upon looking at the learners in the camp na ay shift nga buhaton, pwede gyapon sila maka-tailored fit sa structured na nga teaching learning process to suit to the need of the students.
Malocalize.
Malocalize gyapon.
Yes. Okay, so kung baga na siya blueprint, no?
Yes,
Dili na gid siya kalisod.
Ang pagsunod
Kaya pag-follow na lang sila.
Yes,
Ang nakanindot pag yun, di ba Ma'am Joselle, kay na-incentive para sa learning camp volunteers, atong mga teachers. Maybe Ma'am Joselle can explain further.
Okay, for our
Volunteers.
for our learning camp volunteers, this is voluntary. Teachers are not obliged to do the NLC. Sila lang yun ang volunteer kung matudlo pa sila. And they will receive meal allowance. And they will also receive a 15-day vacation leave.
Samot ka aligre.
Yes. So far, how did our teachers receive these perks?
So far, positive good
Positive,
ang
okay,
teachers.
okay.
They really want to volunteer.
Okay, so we do not encounter any problems with soliciting the teachers' volunteerism. Wala tayong problema
So
diha.
far, wala good.
Okay, that's good.
So far, from the feedback from the schools, daghan good ang mga volunteer.
Nabay, teachers ra ba ang volunteer ma'am? Or na mga outsiders nga?
Pwede ang outsiders. In case if kulangan yun ang teacher volunteer sa school, pwede yun siya manguha
Madawat
sa
sila.
gawas. Pwede atong naa sa rank list, or pwede atong mga teacher na nagsab na, pwede rin yun siya. They will receive the same meal allowance, probably except for the
leave credits. Okay.
Nabay mga challenges nga ma-meet during sa implementation sa NLC, ma'am?
Yes, actually na-agad. As of this time, ang among pinaka-challenge yun is the budget. As of this time, wala pa yun ta naka-receive sa ato ang budget for this coming July 1 to 19. But hopefully, naaragyan. Naaragyan ito niya. Reimbursement type man, pwede naman siya, reimbursement type ang ato ang meal allowance sa maestra. So, pwede rin. Second challenge is, hopefully, ang absenteeism sa mga bata. Pero so far, with the experience last year, wala good. Wala yung mga bata na ni-absent because nalingaw din sila sa mga activities done inside the classroom.
Because actually, there are schools man sad good who tap the external stakeholders, mga ginikanan or man asla mga benefactors bitaw nga naasad sila yung mga perks. Kung may perks ang maestra, nasa perks ang mga bata. So just like Anduman National High School, nasa sila yung murag store dito nga kung nagay ma-earn nga mga points or credits sa mga bata, ilang i-change din into food or whatever kanang mga school supplies or unsa nga naa sila dito sa ilang store. So malingaw ang bata looking forward to doing something gaining something because they will be going to the store nga naasad sila ma-receive. So, ang uban sad nga mga schools, gitap yun nila ilang mga PTAs to extend something for the students. So, nindot kay. So, we can see collaboration with the external stakeholders, with our parents and other benefactors. And atong teacher sa sulod nga naningkamot sa pag-ayo no nga nagsad sila maatag sa bata at the end of the camp or at the end of the day. So, nindot ka.
So, mura, may numdum sa kuana kaniyadto sa gagmay patanong attend tag katekisan classes,
Yes,
di ba?
yes,
May 30 or 31, ano tayong mga ticket o yung supplies,
Natin
no?
mga notebook.
Yes. Sa gusto to sa di, ganahan kita mo-attend. You want to accumulate those points, di ba?
Actually, sir, there are some schools nga right after the program, nanghatag din sila og school supplies.
So, depende na sa initiative sa school, saan nila pagkuhan. So, doon na kita blueprint, ginasunod, pero if they want to innovate, no?
Yes.
Para mas makadepende na nila.
There is gani, excuse me, sir, there is gani one people nga nimong nga pwede mag-NLC lang ka permi.
It's different man, so good. Just like kanang Mandaus State Science High School. Pag adto na mo, ilang room, kada room, nagi siya team. Even Don Gerardo.
Yes.
Ang usa ka room, na team nga Mulan Baron niya. Ang arinasad, nasa ilaing team, mga scientists ba sila? So, igtanaw sa mga bata niya, there is something inside. So, they will be interviewed. Dilo mo, akita ani, kinindot lagi diri, no?
Nya credit sa good sa teacher, no?
Correct.
Kada bang ilahasad yung gipanindot ang ilang classroom.
With Science ay Ma'am Josel, ang ilang ibuhat, collaboration yun sa maestra o sa bata. So, ang mga bata ani nga camp, ilang sang ipaapil o gunting-gunting para nindot ang ilang camp. Kaya mga dagko na mga good. Pero sa atong mga LMs, mura maestra gid siya ang effort gid in the preparation.
Grabe initiative sa teachers na no?
Yeah. Atong teachers ba kay very creative, yun na sila given the materials ni atong mga principals manghatag ra mga materials yun na gunting-guntingon sa among dagutan. So, alit diri siya looking forward, yun ta even kami monitoring looking unsa sa kinaalit to no, unsa sa kinaalit ka.
So, as a whole, ma'am, unsa kayo nakita na mahimong epekto aning NLC nga to sa atong mga bata and sa atong organization sa DepEd as a whole?
Sa mga bata, Sir Elmer, they will be prepared for the coming school year because it's a learning setup, though it's fun-filled, but there is concepts mga good to be dealt during the camp. So preparation, yun siya. Ato sa mga maestra sad, nabito siya enhancements sa iyang kaugalingon before the school year kay gilayoutan siya daan ang teaching learning process which she can apply still inik so good na sa school year also. Mura na sad siya na plunge kay naga sila 1 month uninterrupted so mura sila nawaktan yun na in reality. So kung ma-appeal sila dili mura sila ma-plunge na sa balik, they will be prepared as well for the next school year. Ato sa mga bata kay ma-plunge na sad sila nga there is this kuan na sad padul nga nato nga eskwela na sad. Mura siya preparation sa in a way.
Actually, Sir Elmer, for the intervention camp, gidevelop good ang foundational skills sa bata. Especially in mathematics, tan-aw dito sa RMA result nga kuwangan gid siya ani nga skills. So dito gidevelop for these 3 weeks. So murag naagay mapupo kay balik man gyud sa pinaka basic for the intervention. For the consolidation and enhancement, from the word enhancement, murag gi-enhance na gamay ang mga skills sa bata. Same with the consolidation. Murag remedial gyud siya, tabang gyud siya. This is in preparation for the coming school year.
So with English as well, especially for students who lack the literacy skills, kana hinay pa mo basa, dili pa kay kabasa, or dili kasabot sa gibasa. So it will be developed during the camp niya. Ini ka-opening na expected nga makabasa na sila with comprehension. So kung unsay huwang nila sa 14 ka literacy domains nga nakitaan sa teacher with the end of school year results sa SERLA, mao na siya ilang tabion dito or i-practice during the camp. Hopefully, Basta okay ra ang tanan, makamatikod ka nga nigsud sa school year, kamao na ang bata ang basa. So, the required literacy, foundational literacy skills na siya sa phonology, sa iyang syntax, no, sa iyang pagbasa, iyang sa morphology, sa language, makamatikod na ang bata ana. So, ang maestra nga mudawat sa grade 1, grade 2, or grade 3, wala, ang gap na patch up na sila.
Pero actually, for the intervention, it's only math and English. For science, wala sila intervention. Naa sila sa consolidation and enhancement.
They might be asking Giselle ba, anong walay intervention ang science kay na expected naman good na kung makapasa ng bata, kahibaw na sa math, kasabot na din siya sa concept sa science.
Yes. So, nilod kayo itong discussion ng trail, no? Kung ibalik ito, kanina ito, ang basis naman kita, kung kanina mong itawag arithmetic.
Yes.
Karakan ba, no?
Yes.
In ancient times, no? Basically, literacy and numeracy. So, all the rest will come through those.
Correct.
Di ba, mga trail? So, we'll pause for a moment, no? Okay, may na kita excited kaya itong discussion, no? So, let's pause for a moment and then we'll be back in a few minutes. Stick around. So we do have a short game for our guests today. All right, it's like a guessing game with jumbled words.
Okay.
Go!
Students.
Learning.
Learning. Learning. What's that?
Shell ang.
Children? Ano?
Pass.
Pass. Grading? Mura grading, no? Grading.
Reading.
Di ay. Evaluate.
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 Labright kan taga-English.
Science. Masa na siya, uy? Hindi ka answer.
Comprehension. Ay, nanaong panggod sa ubos.
Ano double N, oy? Comprehension. Module.
Ala ka, bright sa taga-English.
Comprehension.
Duhara gyud ang nansiran sa math.
Ang ba kay wala mo math, uy, nasa datoy kuan.
Bitaw.
Alam. May si Ma'am Giselle.
Math of science.
Oh, nasa dato siya exponent. Ano?
Bitaw, hala.
Correct.
Good challenge.
Okay.
Bitaw, thank you so much.
Welcome back to Mandaway Season 2 together with our guests, Ma'am Giselle Biduya and Ma'am Joy Villamor. So our next question, Ma'am, is how do we evaluate or measure if ang atong learner na ba improvement tungod sa NLC niya? Unsa man ang mga klase-klaseng evaluation tool nga inyong gigamit?
Okay, ako sa mo answer una, Ma'am
Okay,
Joy.
yes, ma'am.
sir.
For the secondary, naatay gitawag og National Learning Camp Assessment. This is an online assessment to be given for grades 7 to 10. Naghatag man ta og pre-test nila. Dito makit-an kung asa sila nga camp mabilong. Sa post-test pod, naapod, dito pod makita kung ni-improve ba sila for the 3-week nga National Learning Camp. And for, yes, kung naabagod sila hinaagi.
Yeah.
For the elementary learners that we have, teachers can have descriptive observations or evaluations that they can write in a sheet of paper or in anything ilang manoted ba sa progress sa bata niya. Pwede sad niya makita sa bata para kakita ang bata kung how she fares in the 1 week or in the 2 weeks niya. Pwede sad ma-show sa ginikanan para kakita ang ginikanan unsa sa standing sa bata niya na unsa para ma-reinforce niya sa balay. So It's merely a descriptive way of giving a remark for the utilization of the teacher nga mag-unsa na sad siya in the coming weeks given this development sa bata as to numeracy or literacy man gani. So descriptive ra siya, wala siya specific rating yun.
Pero ato na siyang makitaan at the beginning of the school year. Once we will conduct the RMA and the SERLA pre-test.
Kaya makita naman nato sa SERLA o sa RMA, makita unsay kakuwangan sa bata. So magtan-aw na ang maestra kung kanikuwang niya mao niyang buhaton. So after such weeks, naunsa na day ang bata, unsa na iyang mga developments as to sa iyang pagbasa, sa iyang pag-sound, one word ba ron or two letter word na ba siya or unsa na siya. So naagi descriptive remarks ang maestra nga isuwat niya specific to individual students gyud. So kada bata na siya isuwat. Sunod bata na anasad para mag-guided sad siya unsa na yung mga sunod niya nga mga activities to undertake.
Actually, for the intervention camp, there are only 10 learners.
Okay.
So 10 learners
Maximum
ang
na siya?
maximum
For every class na siya?
for every class
okay.
for the intervention camp. So makita gyud sa maestra ang needs sa mga bata. Kay gamay raman.
We are encouraging you the teachers, especially in literacy, to take note of the result of the SERLA. So naa na sila yung mga bata nga prospects to be in the camp. So ila nagyong encourage ang mama nga mapasujud nato kay avenue na gyud siya to process the gaps gyud. So nindot gyud nga naa sila sa camp.
Okay. Okay. So I'd like to assume nga given that scenario nga matagaan gyud individual assessment ng bata kanang one-on-one talk with the teacher, no?
Okay.
At the end of the so nindot siya, no?
Munang 10 ra gyud ka
Yes.
answer sa usa ka camp.
Mas mayo.
Ma-individualize
Okay.
gyud sila.
Now we come to the most important question, Ma'am Chair. Importante kani nga question, no? Para ang implication ani is very shall we say, no? Kanang dako kayo siya para sa division and also to all our clientele and stakeholder. How ready is DepEd Mandaue for the NLC?
We are 100% ready na good, sir, for July 1.
Very ready na.
Very ready na
Ready na
good.
good.
The resources are there naman go, sir.
Okay,
The learners
okay.
are there.
Okay.
The camp volunteers
Okay.
are there.
Yes.
Our learning resources na nagyud from 1 to 10. Ready
That's
na
good,
gyud
that's
siya.
good.
The schools are
Schools.
reproducing na gyud the resources.
Yeah, ready na good ang mga school heads, ready
Okay.
na ang teachers, even kami ready na pud me to monitor.
Ready na sa monitor.
We have our own
And
schedule.
July 1 onwards.
July 1.
Mag-start na ni sa July 1.
ready na gyud.
Start na dayon.
Because actually, we have a very hyperactive chief in the CID with Dr. Roylan.
Yeah,
Grabe
kudos
ka.
to Dr. Jaime Roland.
Yeah, even the
sir.
monitoring sheets, iyag yung gi-orient namo kanus amo mo rate
Yes,
ani, kanus
yes.
amo mo rate ani, and with the with the leadership as well of our SDS Sir Dagatan and
Okay.
Sir Godilusaw. So imposible nga dili ma ready. So according to ang 100% na gyud. So we are in.
Sige, no? So, mo na say pinaka, shall we say, no? Dako na to nga mahatag nga assurance sa atong mga clientele og
yes.
stakeholders nga DepEd Mandaue is ready.
Dili
Okay.
bukat sir ang preparation ba dili siya
Yes.
bukat.
Shared accountability.
Yeah,
man.
Yes.
collaboration gyud
So,
na diha.
any final note, Ma'am Jo?
Thank you so much everyone for joining. I hope positive ra gyud ato ang pag-conduct sa implementation sa National Learning Camp this coming July 1 to 19. Unya, if ganahan mo share your blessings, mga stakeholders out there,
Yeah.
please go to your nearest school.
Yeah. Welcome
Okay, they
kayo.
are very welcome. The schools, the school principal, mura ganahan gyud na sila mo
Yes.
mo entertain sa ato ang mga stakeholders.
Ma'am Joy, any parting words?
Ang amo lang yun diri kay dayon kamo sa camp, kay sa camp daghan tang makuha hasta ang maestra naa, hasta ang estudyante naagi mapupo. So tanan makadawat, tanan makakuha, og tanan sad makatabang. So pwede ra kita matos principal og ma'am na ako isa ka kuan diri hatag na ako sa camp, pwede ra gid na siya. So welcome to our National Learning Camp.
So once again, thank you very much to our guests and also to all our viewers out there, no, who have stuck with us throughout this episode. This has been your host, Mr. Elmer Manggubat.
And I'm Miss Rel Coming. Magkita-kita ta balik din hilang sa programang Puno sa Kasayuran.
Ug puno sa pagkat-on kini ang
Mandawe, kaysa Mandawe, daghang pamaagi.